Hey guys, so this is our first unboxing video. I'm going to show you guys the new Enduro 24 Sendero Trail Truck. This is from Element RC and otherwise known as Team Associated. It's a Team Associated product. Team Associated builds quality stuff, so I'm excited to see what this is going to look like. Let's take a look. It's kind of tight. You got to pull this whole little box out to get the truck out. All right, boom, done. No, I'm just kidding. So, this is the Enduro 24. It looks a lot like the Charisma from what I can see right now, the outward appearance. It's got 4 body clips, so it's got body posts. It's not like a tilt up with Velcro or anything like that. Let's take the clips off. Put this down here. I hate these little clips. Probably the first mark against it is going to be these little teeny clips. They've got to come up with at least put little tethers on them or something to make them easier to pull. Body's nice. It's pretty thick actually. It feels pretty durable. Comes in 2 different colors, the blue and black and the yellow and black. They both have the lines on it. So let's take a look at the chassis. The chassis is metal. It's a thick metal actually. It's not C-channel, it's just thick, durable aluminum. The bumper, I just noticed that, so it's got the headlights, comes with lights on it, already plugged in and ready to go. Front facing motor, so the motor's in the front. Transmission's also in the front, which is a little bit different. Maybe that's to add weight to the front of it or something, I don't know. It's just a little odd. Everything else is plastic. I would imagine that they're coming up with some upgrades, but all the linkage, the steering linkage, everything is plastic. The housings, pretty much every 24 scale crawler right now is all plastic. It's got nice little wheels, they're grippy, really soft, really soft. It comes with a 1S LiPo, which I'm actually charging. So yeah, I unboxed it already, sorry. I wanted to get the battery charging because after this unboxing, we're going to go out and give it a little test run. So I want the battery to be charged. It comes with the water resistant ESC receiver combo. One thing I don't like about the battery tray. The battery tray. That's what it is. The battery's held in by a rubber band. I haven't seen that before. Kind of cheesy. You think that they could put like maybe a strap or just a little hinge deal there to keep it secure, but it does have a small little dog bone going from the transmission to the transfer case here, which is kind of cool. That's about it. So let's give this thing a little test run, and we'll come back with some final thoughts about it and see how she does. One thing I forgot to go over was the transmitter. Completely blew it off, wasn't thinking about it. Anyway, the transmitter for this thing, it's actually kind of unique. So It is a 2-piece transmitter, which I've never seen before. It fits really good in your hand. It really does fit with all your standard trim and your steering trim and throttle trim. Normal, reverse steering. Has a 3rd channel, which I'm assuming is for your lights, to turn those on and off. But to put the batteries in, this is what was odd to me, was you have a little button right here. You have to press up on that button and slide the handle out. And the batteries go in here. You can clip this little deal here, and then you put your AAAs in there. I don't know how I feel about that, but we will see. We'll see how it works out, and we'll get back to the conclusion after this. So we got a chance to look at the truck, we got a chance to drive it, and I'm pretty pleased with it actually. It did really well. I wish it had a little bigger, little bit bigger tires on it. The other thing that I noticed is that the headlights only came on when you pulled the trigger on the transmitter. Kind of wish they'd stay on full time, but it's not that big of a deal. It really performed well for what little terrain we had to drive it on. So, like I said, I'm pleased with it. We're gonna get plenty of these in stock, so if you're interested, swing on by and pick one up. This is Brandon for RC360 Hobbies, and I'm out.